Welcome back to Herbal Whisper, where we uncover nature's most powerful remedies. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that affects us all, hormonal balance. If you've been feeling out of sync, whether it's due to stress, irregular periods, menopause, or just feeling off, then this video is for you. Did you know that nature provides incredible herbs that can help restore balance to your body, ease hormonal symptoms, and help you feel like yourself again? From adaptogens that reduce stress to phytoestrogens that support reproductive health, we've got the top 20 herbs that can naturally regulate your hormones and improve your overall well-being. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll discover the natural solutions your body has been craving. 1. Ashwagandha Withania somnifera. Ashwagandha is one of the most powerful adaptogens, helping the body adapt to stress and regulate cortisol levels. Chronic stress can throw off the balance of your hormones, affecting everything from your menstrual cycle to your thyroid function. Ashwagandha helps reduce cortisol, which can balance your entire endocrine system, improve thyroid function, and enhance adrenal health. This herb is particularly helpful for those suffering from adrenal fatigue or stress-induced hormonal imbalances. 2. Maca root Lepidium mieni. Maca root has been used for centuries in the Andes to enhance fertility and balance hormones. Maca supports the hypothalamus and pituitary glands, which are key regulators of hormone production. By improving communication between these glands, maca helps balance estrogen and progesterone levels, making it particularly beneficial for women dealing with irregular periods, PMS, and menopause symptoms. It's also known to improve libido and energy levels for both men and women, making it a popular choice for boosting overall vitality. 3. Vitex Chase Tree Berry. Vitex is a well-known herb for women's hormonal health, particularly when it comes to regulating menstrual cycles and improving fertility. Vitex works by influencing the pituitary gland, helping to balance estrogen and progesterone levels, which is why it's often recommended for women with irregular cycles, PMS, or even infertility. Vitex is especially useful for women transitioning off birth control who are trying to restore their natural hormonal rhythm. 4. Black cohosh Actaia racemosa. Black cohosh is best known for its ability to help women manage menopause symptoms. It mimics the effects of estrogen in the body, helping to reduce hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings associated with menopause. Black cohosh also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate menstrual cramps and support overall reproductive health. This herb is frequently used as a natural alternative to hormone replacement therapy, HRT. 5. Dong Quai Angelica sinensis. Often referred to as female ginseng, Dong Quai is a powerful herb for women's hormonal health. It helps regulate estrogen levels and supports reproductive health by improving blood flow to the pelvic area. Dong Quai is commonly used to relieve menstrual cramps, balance irregular cycles, and ease menopause symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings. It's also known for its ability to reduce inflammation, making it a go-to herb for women dealing with endometriosis or other inflammatory reproductive conditions. 6. Licorice root Glycyrrhiza glabra. Licorice root is an adaptogen that supports adrenal health and helps regulate cortisol levels. Since cortisol plays a major role in the balance of sex hormones, reducing cortisol can have a positive impact on hormone regulation. Licorice root is particularly beneficial for women with PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome, because it helps balance testosterone levels while supporting overall hormonal health. Additionally, licorice root can soothe inflammation and support liver function, both of which are essential for maintaining hormonal balance. 7. Red clover Trifolium pratense. Red clover is rich in phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic estrogen in the body. This makes red clover particularly beneficial for women going through menopause, as it helps ease symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings by gently increasing estrogen levels. Red clover can also support overall cardiovascular health and improve skin health, making it a well-rounded herb for women's health. It's often consumed as a tea or in supplement form. 8. Holy basil Ocimum sanctum. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is a revered adaptogen in Ayurvedic medicine, known for its ability to reduce stress and regulate cortisol levels. Holy basil helps balance blood sugar, which is crucial for hormonal health because insulin and cortisol are closely connected. By reducing stress and balancing blood sugar, holy basil supports overall hormonal balance and can even help improve thyroid function. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce symptoms of hormonal imbalances like PMS and acne. 9. Evening primrose oil, Onothera biennis. Evening primrose oil is rich in gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, an essential fatty acid that helps regulate hormones, reduce inflammation, and improve skin health. It's particularly helpful for women dealing with PMS, irregular periods, or menopause symptoms. Evening primrose oil is also known to improve hormonal acne by balancing estrogen and progesterone levels. It can be taken as a supplement or used topically to enhance skin health. 10th, Schisandra berry, Schisandra chinensis. Schisandra berry is a potent adaptogen that helps regulate cortisol levels and supports adrenal function. By balancing stress hormones, Schisandra indirectly helps balance sex hormones like estrogen and testosterone. Schisandra also supports liver function, which is essential for detoxifying excess hormones and promoting hormonal balance. This berry is often used to enhance energy, improve sleep quality, and support overall vitality. 11th, turmeric, Curcuma longa. Turmeric is well known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which are essential for maintaining hormonal balance. Inflammation can disrupt the endocrine system and throw hormones like estrogen and insulin out of balance. Turmeric supports liver health and hormone detoxification, making it easier for the body to process and eliminate excess hormones. It's also a great herb for improving insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for those dealing with PCOS or insulin resistance. 12. Ginger, Zingiber officinale. Ginger is another potent anti-inflammatory herb that can help regulate hormones by reducing systemic inflammation and supporting digestion. Ginger also helps balance blood sugar levels, which is essential for regulating insulin and other hormones. In addition to its anti-inflammatory benefits, ginger can help ease menstrual cramps and improve circulation, making it a great herb for women's reproductive health. 13. Peppermint, Mentha piperita. Peppermint is widely known for its cooling and calming properties. Peppermint tea is commonly used to help lower androgen levels, making it beneficial for women with PCOS who are dealing with excess testosterone. By reducing androgens, peppermint helps balance hormones and can alleviate symptoms like unwanted hair growth and acne. It's also great for digestion, which plays a key role in overall hormonal health. 14. Cinnamon, Cinnamomum verum. Cinnamon is an excellent herb for balancing blood sugar levels, which is essential for regulating hormones like insulin. When blood sugar levels are stable, it reduces the likelihood of hormone imbalances related to insulin resistance, such as PCOS. Cinnamon's ability to improve insulin sensitivity also supports balanced energy levels and reduces the risk of weight gain caused by hormonal fluctuations. It's easy to incorporate into your diet as a spice or supplement. 15. Fenugreek, Trigonella phonum. Fenugreek seeds are commonly used to balance estrogen levels, especially in breastfeeding women. Fenugreek supports lactation by stimulating milk production while also helping to regulate estrogen levels in the body. It's also beneficial for women experiencing hormonal imbalances that affect their menstrual cycles. Fenugreek seeds can be consumed as a spice, tea, or supplement. 16. Flaxseed, Linum usitatissimum. Flaxseed is rich in lignans, which are phytoestrogens that help balance estrogen levels in the body. Flaxseed supports hormonal balance by promoting regular bowel movements, which is essential for eliminating excess estrogen. Additionally, flaxseed is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and support overall hormonal health. Flaxseed can be easily added to smoothies, oatmeal, or baked goods. 17. Sage, Salvia officinalis. Sage is commonly used to support estrogen balance, particularly during menopause. It's highly effective in reducing hot flashes, night sweats, and other symptoms of estrogen deficiency. Sage also supports cognitive function, which can decline during periods of hormonal imbalance. This versatile herb is widely available in fresh, dried, or tea form and is easy to incorporate into your daily routine. 18. Red raspberry leaf, Rubicideus. Red raspberry leaf is known for its ability to regulate menstrual cycles and support reproductive health. It strengthens the uterine muscles, which can help alleviate menstrual cramps and improve fertility. Red raspberry leaf is often consumed as a tea and is especially helpful for women looking to balance their hormones naturally while supporting their overall reproductive health. 19. Rosemary, Rosmarinus officinalis. Rosemary is not only a culinary herb, but also a powerful hormone-balancing remedy. It supports liver detoxification, which helps the body eliminate excess estrogen and other hormones. Rosemary also improves circulation and cognitive function, making it a great herb for overall hormonal health. You can use rosemary as a tea, essential oil, or in cooking to reap its benefits. 20. Dandelion root, Taraxacum officinale. Dandelion root is a fantastic herb for supporting liver detoxification, which is crucial for clearing out excess hormones like estrogen. By promoting liver health, dandelion root helps regulate hormone levels and supports a healthy endocrine system. Dandelion root is often consumed as a tea or supplement and can be a valuable addition to your hormone balancing routine. Thank you for joining me on this journey to explore the top 20 herbs that can help bring your hormones back into balance. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from these natural remedies. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more powerful, nature-inspired solutions for your health and well-being. Have you tried any of these herbs? Let me know in the comments which ones work best for you, or if you're excited to give any a try. Remember, your body has the power to heal, and nature has the tools to help you along the way. Until next time, stay balanced and take care.